How to create account on Signal Private Messenger. Firstly, the main point as you want to take over that selection, it is to open up the application and then go simply continue on that silent blue line section, and then go continue after you got allow permission on all of these sites for contacts, for getting access photos, media and files, and taking to your phone calls and all that stuff. Right here you need to take your country, and in this case it is Macedonia, and right here you need to add your phone number. I'm gonna add it right now. As you get ready with all that stuff, simply it will need to take some time, and right now as you can see right here you need to enter the code, and firstly I will wait to get the phone and the code session of that selection. As you get the code, you're gonna be available right here to enter your PIN and all that stuff. I'm gonna get it just like this one, and you can skip this step if you want, but I'm gonna get it because I want more secure account, which will take up to my main point. And then you need to re-enter that code session or the PIN site, which is different from your verification code and that stuff. Go skip on your right upper side. You can create new PIN if you want. Yeah, go create new PIN because it will be more easy for you. As you get and confirm your PIN on all that stuff, then you're going to be available to get to your main session or main page saved line, which you'll get and create that account session on Signal Private Messenger. As you can see right here, I need simply to add my name, line selection, all that stuff. Then here I can take my last name, I can add a photo on my upper side, and then simply go next right here, and then you're done.